Are you afraid to go out to get a gift? Why not make your own Christmas gift box? In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is for you to make this gift box. And if you have a friend who is a tea lover, I'm going to show you how to DIY this tea bag. This is a tea bag that works and it costs almost nothing using coffee filter. First, let's make the gift box. You need a slightly thicker paper. In this case, I'm recycling a wallpaper. Cut paper in square and then fold them across to form a rectangular. You need a paper puncher for this project and some Christmas decorative items. These are just some old candle holders and I'm going to bind them with this wire. It is much easier to have a paper puncher in this project. If you do not have one, you can use a needle to poke through. Next, put in some candies or some small gift. Next, you need to just wire through using this garden wire string. You will need around 10 centimeters of this wire. Now, the next step is to wire through. This kind of gift box is very good if you have like a last minute small gift you want to give to friends, and just grab any kind of paper that is strong enough to hold the presents inside. So as you can see, it is not that difficult to make this gift box, isn't it? I have made this within 5 minutes. Why not have a competition here? Let me know how much time do you need to make one like this. Next, I'm going to show you how to use a coffee filter to make tea bags. You can write the name of the person that you're going to give it on this card and take a look. It really works. This kind of gift is perfect for a person like me where I need to drink a lot of tea per day. So the size of it is really ideal. Then I can make like a big pot at one go. Today at 16 CET, I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas tea blend so you too can make a special tea blend as a gift for Christmas. To make the tea bag, you need to get ready with some tea first. We need to make some marking for our folds. To make a center folding, you can fold the tea bags into half. In that case, it is more accurate. And then fold like you did before, and there you go. Next, you want to pour in your tea. And fold the tea bags according to the markings. Use a stapler to fasten the tea bags. Next, punch a hole so that you could thread a string. I'm using a cotton string, the one that you use for tying the chicken legs when you want to bake them in the oven. Next, you want to cut about 20 centimeters of the thread and try to thread through it. See how easy it is. If you don't have a hole puncher, you could use a giant needle in this case. Use a piece of cardboard as a label. You can label the tea according to its content, or maybe just writing some well wishes. You want to just staple directly under the knots so that it will not fall off. Wow, 2 projects under 15 minutes. How cool is that? Would you try this? I haven't decided what I'm going to write on this card. Maybe I will write them later. See? It fits perfectly onto this gift box too. I hope you find this project easy to manage, and I hope you give this a try too. And before you go, let's check to see if the tea bag works. And the answer is obvious. It works. Now your tea friend is going to be so pleased. Join me this afternoon at 16 CET YouTube Live for a Christmas DIY tea blend. I'm going to show you how to make Christmas tea blend and how you can make them into gift for your friends. I hope to see you. Bye.